What's up guys, my name is Billy, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to introduce you something very interesting as well. The RGB Garden Light as another choice. This one is actually very portable, very light, easy to take away with. And there are so many reasons for you to choose this one because you can apply this one to decorate your dinner table if you are running a restaurant, or you can hang this up on the wall outside of your villa, or you can colorize your swimming pool by set this up in the swimming pool as well. And of course, you can set this up in your courtyard to colorize your whole garden out there. And let's take a look at what it looks like inside. All right. So that's the whole light here. Basically, it's very light, very portable. It has a solar panel in the center, which charges automatically during the daytime. And it has the light panel around, which is completely RGB coloring. On the back, you see some of the very special design, and there is a big hole in the center for you to do the setup in the ground. So we offer you the stick here, so it's easily for you to screw this in, then insert this into the ground. Then the setup is finished. All right, and it also has a power button here to switch on, switch off very easily. And as a second charging option, you can also charge the light by using the USB port here. So city electricity for charging or the solar energy, it is all up to you. The whole outside is absolutely very cute. So as for how it actually works, let's have a demo. As for how to control this one, it's very easy for you to do by using your cell phone through the connection of the Bluetooth. The connection of this one is actually very easy by the auto scanning here. So once the scan is done, you can see. So once the connection is finished, you can absolutely see the control GUI here with the color temperature changing wheel. And there's a bar above to show you how much battery left from the light here. And now you can change the color temperature very simply on this color wheel. And of course, to go further down, you can go to the real RGB page to change the color as you desire. And of course, you can control the brightness of the color that you just set up by the option in the middle. So let's go to the next page, which is the interactive color changing mode. So there are quite a few presets to control the light changing in the auto mode. Let's try this one here. So basically you see the color is changing from one to another. It jumps from one to another directly, automatically in the loop mode. Or you can hit this one to see what actually happens. So this is the color changing in the linear mode. It has the transition between two colors automatically. And of course, it has the sound control as well. So you can either play the music from your cell phone to control the color changing, or you can just simply use the sound from the microphone to control the color changing. And also you can set up the timer here or some of the other features like energy saving mode as well. It's cute, portable, nice coloring, decent brightness, and a lot of fun to play with as well. Most importantly, it's so easy to set up. Definitely one of the nice solutions for you to decorate your beautiful garden. Why not? If you like this one or not, just leave your opinions in the comments. My name is Willie. I will see you next time.